roar of the engines of an Airbus A380, an aerial refueling that doesn't go as planned, an unthinkable maneuver for a commercial airliner, the confrontation between a NATO and Russian fighter jet, and the pinpoint precision of the Danish Air Force. Take a deep breath, because you're about to get your aviation medicine. This is Pills of Aviation. Listen to the roar of the engines of an A380 during a takeoff in rainy weather. This aerial refueling didn't go as planned and almost ended in an accident. Luckily, the pilot was able to land safely. This Boeing 787 performs a vertical takeoff, a maneuver more typical of a fighter jet. A Su-27 escorting President Vladimir Putin's plane repels a NATO F-18 attempting to intercept it. The Danish Air Force trains for high-precision bombing, achieving millimeter-accurate results. Thanks for joining us on this aviation adventure. Don't forget to subscribe to Pills of Aviation for more exciting content every week.